All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our fourth and final box of the set of 4 that I got. This was like, these are like the Christmas, Valentine's grab bag boxes. I did get a total of 4 of these, like I said, and this is my final one. But if you guys haven't seen the other videos, I did get some prior to these. These ones are from a different Michaels. So I just wanted to kind of see what other stuff I would get at another Michaels. But yeah, guys, let's get this open and see what goodies. So far, the past 3 boxes have been all Christmas. So we will see. Oh, and it looks like we're Christmas again, guys. We are 4 for 4 on this one. And, oh, this box has got a lot. So let's get started. So I got some more. I did get 3 other boxes in the prior box, and I got them in one of my other boxes, the set of 4 that I got prior to this set of 4. So these are super cute. I guess even if you don't send out cards, you can kind of maybe use these, you know, to make little decorations, maybe frame them or something, but they're cute. And definitely can maybe find some use for these, not sure. And then, oh, it looks like we got a little light up thing that says Joy. This is cute. And this one retails for $34.99. If you guys haven't seen, like, these past boxes, I think, what, the last 3 of them have all had lights in them, which is super cool. I want to say I've gotten these Michaels boxes before and really haven't had lights in them, so this is kind of nice. And then, oh, I will have holly and berries for days, guys. I've had these in all 4 boxes now. So they will definitely, I'll probably give them away. Mother-in-law, kids, whatever, whoever wants them. And then I did get some more of these vase fillers in one of the other boxes, and then my prior 4. These are like $5.99 a piece. And then we got some more decorative pine cones. These are nice. They just kind of make a mess. We got, oh, this is a cute sign. Cheers to the naughty list. Cheers! And this one retails for $14.99. Because, you know, sometimes you're on the naughty list for sure. And then, oh, this is cute. It says Joy. Very girly. And this one retails for $16.99. And who doesn't need 2 cheers to the naughty list? I do. This is cute. We definitely can cheers to that twice. And then, oh, I got this same tray in one of the other boxes. I actually thought about taking, like, I have little gingerbread houses. So these would maybe be cute to make like a little, you know, a little town, little gingerbread town. If you look, like, you can make these little light up. Those would be cute. So I did get another one of these. And then, oh, this is kind of a tree event kit. So you can do like a little countdown. My daughter might like that. And oh my goodness, we have lighted headbands again. These will definitely get their use in this house. My daughter will like these, especially these ones. We'll be singing Let It Go. And then we have more ribbon, guys. Oh, this is a new one. This one's actually kind of cool. It says ho, ho, ho. Ah, that's cute. That's actually kind of cool. And this one is a 1.5, and it's $12.99. And then we got this one, which is a 2.5. I did get one of these before. And then it looks like we got some more black and red buffalo check. And then, oh, yep, this was in one of the other ones. So it is kind of like braided. I've never seen, that's kind of cool, kind of ribbon, right? And then this one, 12, I think all these retail, yeah, oh, this one, yep, $12.99. I've gotten this one before too. And then we got another ornament. It says Our First Christmas 2024. My husband's reliving it all over again, guys. And wait to get another one of these in one of the other boxes. Just a little blackboard. And these are $29.99. And we have more lights. Yay! We had these in one of the last boxes. These are just regular incandescent lights. These are $7.99. And then we got some more of these sticky reusable ties. I'm sure my husband will find a use for these. Not really sure. And oh, we did get some of these in the last box. These are actually kind of nice. They're metal. And they're battery operated. Battery operated is always nice because I can put it wherever I want. Don't have to worry about an outlet. And then, oh, first gift bag. Okay. This is actually kind of cute. I do like the design on it. So that's kind of nice. That's our first gift bag. And then, oh, we got some more of the reef sashes, guys. Okay. I really need to find a use for these because now I got a lot of them. And they're the same ones again. And especially this design. I don't know how many. I've lost count. I think we're probably at 5, 6 maybe. So definitely got to find a use for these. And then, oh, we got some fluffy ribbon. You know what? I could probably use this right now. I have a little Easter bunny one that I could probably make him fluffy instead. I was going to paint him white, but I think I'm going to make him fluffy, guys. So stay tuned. I'll do a video on that too. I think this would be kind of cool. I like it. I can make use of this now, and I have to keep it in my attic for the next year. And, oh, we are almost done, guys. Thank you for staying with me. And we got another Merry Christmas one. And more ornament hooks. I'm sure I can find another use for these. They are metal, right? And then, oh, we got some cute little mini reef ornaments. But that's it, guys. We are done with this box. This is the last set of 4 that I got. Stick around because I'm sure I'll probably get them when they come out again for Easter because they'll do it again around Easter time, after Easter. And they'll be like St. Patrick's Easter stuff. That's when I got my last boxes. So the bunny that you guys are going to see me put that fur on was what I got in one of my other boxes. So make sure you stick around and we'll make a video of that too. But I appreciate you guys. Once again, this is the last time I'll say it, I promise. But I thank you guys all again for helping me hit 100 subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, whatever you're doing. I appreciate it all. So continue doing what you're doing, guys. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.